Hi you guys. I wanted to quickly make this video, sure it's not really going to take that long, but I wanted to share something with you. Well, just like you, I try to keep my Denali nice and clean as much as possible. I've had this vehicle for about a couple of years at least. Done a lot of work to it. Anyway, while I wash my car, I'm thinking I'm getting all the nooks and crannies and, cleaning the rims and putting some tire black on the tires, making it look really nice. And there's an area that I never really thought about cleaning. Now, if you've seen my other videos, I use this product elsewhere. I use it to clean my aluminum rims. Then, I made another YouTube about using this product on my threshold. It got it really clean. Now, if you want to see either one of these videos, just click above. It'll take you right to them. So anyway, back to the Denali. I was under the car and I noticed the front bottom half of the grille and how dirty it was. I never noticed that before. The problem is I have these fins in the grille and they're made out of aluminum. And they're really dull. So I used some of this product and you can see here on the left side it's clean and how the right side looks. I haven't even started on that side, and that's when I said, oh man, I gotta make a video of this. I can't believe how clean it is. You can see how I'm using it here. I just spray it on. I'm just only spraying it on the metal pieces. Then I use a brush. Of course, this is a short video, so it's, I brushed it a little more. Again, I never really noticed the bottom half of the grill here, how dirty it gets. I guess I'm just a bozo for not looking at that part of the car to clean. You probably don't want to get this on your paint, so when you spray, try not to get it on your paint. It is a little caustic. And I rinsed it off and oh man, it looked really great. Anyway, so I did the whole grill like that. So I just wanted to share this with you. You can get this product at just about any parts store. Hi guys. I wanted to make a quick announcement. Let me turn the camera around here a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Hopefully that's a little better. I just wanted to break in here to give you a message. First of all, it's a beautiful day. We've been having a lot of smoke around here lately, and I just can't believe how beautiful it looks out there. Look at my yard here. That's just a front walkway in the front yard. I'm kind of proud of it because I've been working on it for a while. But I wanted to tell you one of the things that I wanted to do. What I wanted to do was to do a contest, and I wanted to give away an item, and it's got it right here. Got it right here. It's one of these. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm gonna get mine here and show you. Okay, it's gonna be one of these, right? You're gonna get the tool. You're not gonna get the battery and charger. I'm sorry, but you can find them on eBay really cheap. But it's an M12, I believe it's called, battery ratchet, and these are okay. They're fun to use. They come in, they're pretty handy. And I wanted to, give away one of these to, my viewers. As you know, I've gotten probably over 1 million views, heading towards 5,000 subscribers, and without you, I really couldn't, do this. I've been monetized for about a year now, and it's, I'm not making a lot of money, but it's worthwhile for me to be doing this, and it's constantly growing. So what I wanted to do was to, since I'm making a little money, not a lot, I wanted to share that with my viewers, especially those that have been with me from the beginning. So it's a contest. It's a very simple contest. I know there's a lot of rules and regulations that YouTube wants me to do, and I'm going to abide by them. But I'm trying to make it simple for you. So what you want to do is there's an email address down at the bottom. It'll say not so fast 10,000 at gmail.com. So that's where you're going to want to go. And on the subject line, and this is really important because if you don't do this, you're going to get disqualified. But it's very simple. All you got to do is this. On the subject line, you're going to write 2010 Ratchet on the subject line, and that helps me to do a lot of sorting on my end. On the bottom, if you could, write your name and tell me how long you've been watching my channel and what's your favorite video. That'd be kind of nice. So the contest ends the last day of this month, October, and the winner will be announced November 4th. If you don't respond within 48 hours of me contacting you, then I got to find another winner. You know how that goes. So it should, like again, I'm trying to keep it fairly simple, and I wanted to, give away something to you guys as a thank you. And believe me, there'll be more prizes in the future, provided the more money I get on YouTube, the more I'm going to give this money away, so to speak. So I wanted to share it with you guys. The reason why I'm doing this is because I wanted to thank you guys and give you an opportunity to win something for watching my channel. I'll be doing this at least once a month right now. I'll be doing it on my cooking videos. I'll be doing it on my auto repair videos. So I don't know which video next where it's going to be. Right now I did this one intentionally at the end of the video because I know a lot of you people that do like my channel will watch the video through the whole video. So I'm going to put this at the end for you guys to give you a chance to win, because I know there's a lot of people that just watch for a minute and drop off. For you guys that watch my video throughout the whole video, it's sort of like a small reward for doing that. And I'll probably be doing that maybe once or twice after this, but then after that it'll be somewhere in the video, and it won't always be the same rules. So keep in tune. Hopefully the prizes will be bigger and better, and if not, hopefully there'll be more prizes out there, so more than one person will be a winner. So I just want to drop in and say that. So please, go to notsofast10,000@gmail.com. Write in 2010 Ratchet, and you're in. And just wait till November 4th to hear who the winner is. Anyway, thanks for your time, and we'll get back to the so-called 3-minute video. We'll see you guys, and thanks again for your views and your support, and I hope I continue to make stuff that's more interesting to you in the near future here. Again, thanks again. Bye. Thanks again. I just wanted to pop in here and just remind you to read the contest rules that are below and all the other related information. But some of the big ones are you got to be over 18 to win, or have a parent enter for you. And the other one is this contest is only for the continental United States at this time. As you know, shipping stuff out of the US is very expensive nowadays. Anyway, good luck. I'm sure you can find it on eBay or on Amazon. I'm not getting paid for talking about this product, nor do I get paid for any products that I have on here, so you're getting an honest review. So here it is, Eagle 1 mag wheel cleaner. It's good stuff. I think it runs about $5-6, but well worth it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and of course hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.